Hello everyone, so today I'm gonna do a short tutorial of how to download Magic Bullet looks presets into your After Effects. So basically, the first thing you need to do is go to your web browser and go to Instagram, get your link highlighted, and then copy and paste. I've done it already, obviously, so this is the link. You download it as a zip. Once it's completed, you open this little arrow here and you drag your colorings to, and now it's highlighted, so you double click to unzip it. Just open a random composition. In your effects and preset panel, you search for looks. It's obviously pre-installed, so now you put it down here, and then you down here in the look section click edit. Now this little gap, click it, and view presets folder. You can close everything else. In your looks builder or whatever it is on your laptop, you just drag your colorings, the downloaded one, into it and bring it into looks. Double click to see the looks. Since I've already created a folder for Etosia's giveaways, then I'll just drag it in it. But if you haven't, to create a new folder, you just have to right click, which is control click on new folder, and I'll search for, so highlight it all and drag it out and just put it there. And delete the folder, the initial folder, and that's it. Now you just open AE and it will be there. Okay, so now what you're gonna see is just this, and you'll be confused, but you see this looks, you click it. If you don't see this, you just scroll down to the custom looks, click on your folder name, mine's Etosia, and I have every coloring ever, which is really dope. So that's it. I just click on it to apply it, and yeah, I hope it really works and it helps you guys. Bye bye.